guys, I'm essenceray. Welcome back or welcome. We're talking holiday digital products today, and I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to get right into it. By the end of this video, you will have 5 digital product ideas that you can be selling this holiday season. Look, the holidays are right around the corner. Q4 is here, guys. This is the most lucrative quarter, lucrative season, so I definitely want to give you guys some great ideas that you can use now. Most of these digital product ideas, if not all of them, will be in my done for you digital product vault, but if you want to take a free option, these can all be made in Canva with the exception of like one. So jumping right into it, the first holiday digital product idea are invitations. As you guys already know, this is the season of families, togetherness, family gatherings and such, friendsgivings and things, so this is perfect. People are currently working on their holiday invitations and the holiday gatherings that they're going to be having, and they want some tasteful ones that they can send out. Preferably ones they don't have to do a lot of designing to, because not everybody has Canva skills, Photoshop skills, etc. You can provide invitations that can be printed out as printables or ones that can be sent as e-invites. Like I said, people want the ease of design and quality without having to do everything themselves, so this is a very good idea and it's one that is used every year. You're providing easy to use designs where they can just add a picture or change some text around and they're done, if that. The second digital product idea for the holidays are party games. With the holiday season and all of these gatherings that are happening for family and friends, and New Year's and stuff, there is a need for entertainment and games, icebreakers, things to bring the people in the party together and talking and chatting and having fun. So think Friendsgiving card games or drinking games, or family games for Thanksgiving, Christmas games, Halloween games for the kids. As a digital product, these are going to be printables. So you're going to be providing a PDF file with the game materials, whether that be cards or game boards or whatever the materials are. They can be printed out, cut out, written on, and used that way for the game. These are just a few examples of the games that I have in my done for you digital product vault, but like I said before, you can create all these easily in Canva. The third digital product idea for the holidays is a Notion planner. If you are or know a type A planner, you know, that person that plans all the gatherings, all the events and get-togethers, then you know how much there is to do, to write down, to remember, and it's great when all those things are planned and organized in one place. If you are a planner and you have never used a Notion planner for the holidays, then this is about to be a game changer. Notion is an all-around productivity app, but its planners are so popular because they're so efficient. Notion is so slept on because a lot of people don't know how to create the planner templates, and that's where you come in because you're going to be providing Notion planner templates. So that's going to help people plan everything from Christmas gift shopping to New Year's Eve to Thanksgiving to Halloween to Christmas Day, and that is very lucrative. Planners are lucrative all year round, but during this time of year, they are so sought after. The Notion planner that's in my digital product vault can be marketed towards the holidays all through the new year, where people are working on New Year's resolutions, getting their life together, planners, vision boards, and all that. So definitely check it out, and it'll be available below. The fourth digital product idea are holiday cards. During the holidays, people are packaging cards and gifts. They're also sending out their annual holiday card with their family's picture on them. You can sell templates like these, or you can make an Etsy account and sell personalized card services. These can be both created and modified in Canva. And coming in last, the fifth digital product idea are kids' holiday crafts. A few examples of these are printables, where you would create materials that people will print out that will directly make the craft, or you can create an ebook where you have a list of different ideas and how to make them. Or my personal favorite, which is the easiest, are coloring pages. Coloring pages are my absolute favorite because they can be easily made. You can just use AI image prompts for them. You can use AI image prompts on sites like Midjourney or ChatGPT, and if I'm not mistaken, Canva also has a free AI image app that you can use. You can take advantage of using all of these product ideas, or just one, but I definitely recommend just choosing something because there's no reason why you can't take advantage of this holiday bag, this Q4 bag. You can do it and you can make passive income this way. Don't overthink it. You just need some marketing help. Get on a platform, create your stuff, and list it. Okay, guys? I want you guys to all be successful. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Comment if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next video.